a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, well, that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left or right. Ah, snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night.
Good day, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today is day 2 in the beautiful Orlando area. Rather. House hunting. Today is the first day of house hunting. Arrived on Sunday. Yesterday was a chill out day. Today, I call this, like I mentioned, day 1 of house hunting. I'm here in the Turpin Bay community, which is about 45 minutes from the center of downtown Orlando, Haines City that is, in the Devonport area. I believe I found a house that I like. I am not sure yet. I still have a few more to view in other communities with another realtor. And based on what I see there, what I find tomorrow, I'll make a determination. But so far, I like what I see. Beautiful lot size. I failed to show you around inside, but that is something I'll do later on. And the modest price range here at Turpin Bay. The house that I choose is still under construction, but right behind me is the model, which I showed earlier. This house is in the completion stage. Cabinet is not yet installed. But it kind of gives me a good idea as to what it's going to be like when I do decide to choose a home. So here I am. I'm going to take you by the house that is under construction, the one that I've chosen so far, and we'll see where we go from there. All right. So my friends, this is the actual house. If I do decide, that's the one I'll be choosing. They're delivering drywall right now, so I can't get any closer. This is a partial shell, I would say, of the model that I showed you earlier, just the exterior of the model. This community is a resort-style community with the designs are modest. I'm not looking for anything spectacular, which I call the second home. They're good enough for someone who, of course, is intended on retiring in a couple of years. And so I think this is quite suitable. Eventually, according to their official site plan, and this area, as I mentioned, will have over 300 homes. The site itself has just been in operation for 3 months now. Quite a bit of purchase, but there is no resident living here yet, even though they have closed or close to closing and quite a few of the properties. I'm excited to venture out, and hopefully finding something. Hopefully, after taking a look tomorrow at other houses, I can make a determination as to whether or not this place is a place that I can call home. As I mentioned before, resort living with over 300 housing unit plan, resort style swimming pool, clubhouse, and across from the complex is Carvana. I don't have to go far to ship a car. Yeah, so my friends, so according to their site plan, this particular community will consist of about 300 homes. Right now they're in the initial phase. It is set to be built as a resort community. It's about 35 minutes, as I mentioned earlier, from the heart of downtown Orlando. It is more country-like, which is fine with me. The houses are modest, but for someone retiring, who need a big splash? Supermarkets 2 miles away, and the main drag in this area appears to be just Fireflies, which I'm actually absolutely fine with. Across from here is the from the housing complex. It is the Carvana. It's probably hard to see, but it's a low-rise building, a huge warehouse. If you ever order a car online through Carvana, I'm just right across the street from there. I can walk over and deliver a message for you. And further out, where those cylindrical towers are, that is Aldi warehouse, our production center. Aldi, of course, is known more so in the on the East Coast versus out in Las Vegas, where I am. Aldi is a I would call it for those in Las Vegas, the price range of Aldi is somewhere like Food for Less, which is no more. Or for the Spanish, El Super, very, very inexpensive product. I don't shop at either of those places, so I'm not sure exactly the quality. But just to give an idea what it's like. So my friends, this is day one of possibilities, and I will see what day two hold tomorrow. So hello there, friends. So today is decision day. A decision to list my humble Las Vegas home for sale. Moving on to another humble abode I would call the forever home in Haines City, Florida, in the Orlando area. So, little porch, entering to the home. I would say it's semi feng shui. Laminate all the way from the first floor in all the high traffic areas. Just pan back around. It's a storage closet under the stairs. This is the foyer area. As you enter the home. We're now entering the dining room area. The floor plan is an open floor plan. So you're looking at the actual living room area. Which also gives you the view of the dining room. From the living room area, this is a view of the kitchen. So everything is open. This floor plan is about 2,300 square feet. So my friends, the wait is almost over. My modest little joint I call the final destination. Today it's my walkthrough. In about 20 minutes from now, I'll take a look through the house, and I'll be able to show you the before and after. When I came here sometime in October, actually it was October 14, my house looks like this one over here, with just the roof and the beer exterior. And now, oh, it is ready. I can't wait to take you inside. So my friends, as I mentioned, the transition has begun. Today is my first day of walkthrough. Checking to make sure that every little thing is in order. Getting out of Las Vegas into my modest domicile here in Florida. This is my entryway. Let's go to bedroom 1. Reasonable size. Shared bathroom. Linen closet. Bedroom number 2. These rooms are what I call visitor's pen. Entering in the kitchen and dining area, which is an open floor plan. Kitchen, living, and dining. An open floor plan. That's the dining area. That is the living room space. Little pantry area. Now the linen closet outside of the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. A little smaller than my Las Vegas home, but adjustment is good. Eventually I will have this customized. This is the master bath. It's the laundry room. And my HVAC system. This is my little covered patio. Eventually I will have it extended. At least the pavement. We call this the lanai. Not big enough, but that'll suffice for now. So, this is it, my friends. Lots of yard space. And I thought I got rid of my lawnmower, but I gotta pick it up again. But I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun to do. Smelling fresh grass. This is it. Florida, I'm coming home. Very spacious between neighbor.